are back in the shop working on the waveblaster. Gonna get this thing stripped down, get it ready for body work, and get some paint on this thing so we can start slapping it back together for the summertime. So I'm gonna throw some of these short little clips in there and hope y'all enjoy it. Well, after a little bit of scraping, we have removed the hydro turf. So yeah, cool. Don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but it didn't really rip, so I didn't pull it apart. I just gotta get these two pieces off, clean all this residue and stuff up. Hanging from the garage motor. Well, we're trying to get there, getting a little bit closer to stripping this thing all the way down and throwing a paint job on it. And yeah, we're getting there. As you can see, I've pulled the engine, got the engine over here, got that, got the hood, got it all tore apart. It's all unbolted, so I gotta just wet sand that. Still got a few other things I gotta take off. Pull steering out, because we're gonna paint all this, redo all this stuff. Take the rest of these stainless pieces off, the hood latch off, the bumper off. No, he got no battery. Got all the coats of the primer installed now. As you can see, it's high build primer. Fill in a few more of these other little spots, then we'll wet sand all this out, get it smooth, and then we're going to hit it with the flake, the silver flake, and we'll be ready to go. Still a long ways from being done, but getting closer and closer. Fixing up some of these where there was like stress cracks in the paint and all that and everything. Don't use the on and off reserve anymore, so we filled that hole in that used to be there, and patching up some of those. Once all this dries, we'll put the Bondo on top of that fiberglass, and or it's not really Bondo, but it's a type of Bondo. Should be good to go to put the primer like what we got down here on it, and get the sanding that out and smoothing it up. Then we got all this stuff to work on, getting it prepped for paint as well. Gonna end up painting the jet pump as well, the exterior, the housing of it. So can't really see it, but the silver coats for the bottom of the hole is getting put down. Right here's the clear we're going to be putting on the bottom of the hole. It's supposed to be the thickest. The thickest is like 2.5 mil. That's what it's going to end up being, so it's going to be pretty thick. clear on top of that silver.